Craft with Squid Light. I'm going to delve into the 606 labeling standard for cable labeling and documentation. We're just going to touch on it lightly. We found this outlet in a facility that was being recabled, and we thought we'd take it with us. And as you can see, they labeled each outlet with MDF, where the wire is going back to, a closet. It's in panel 2, and it's ports 23 and 24. And then if you flip over, we see a written in Sharpie when they did the rough-in. They marked it P2-21. And then after they cut the cable back and re-terminated, they put on a printed label of MDF P221. They did the same thing at the patch panel end. Put the label behind the patch where they terminated the patch panel, and then both this one and the Sharpie. And then on the patch panel, they had it on the front. They relabeled the front. So if we start from the outlet and work our way back, you've got one label, two label, Sharpie, three labels. Get to the closet end and you've got four labels, Sharpie, five labels there, and six labels at the patch panel. Then if you count marking the as-built drawing, it would be 7 labels. So here you have, on one cable, to do it correctly, you need to label and identify that cable, patch panel, jack 7 times for one cable. That's 7 times. That gives you the opportunity to make a mistake. That kind of puts it in the classification as a repetitive task, and if you study repetitive tasks, you understand that that's where a lot of mistakes happen. When it is a very mundane, boring job that's repetitive, mistakes happen. And another little note on this plate is you see that probably after they left, the end user, who was non-technical, couldn't figure out all these fancy labels, and they took a Sharpie and wrote 1 and 2, so they knew which ones they wanted to plug into. So that's kind of the situation you may get into in the 606 labeling standard. But there is no other way until now, and using the SQID and using visual labels or lights. Thank you.